2008 we tried, 2009 was Dr. Lindauer, 2010 was the IUIs. And on paper everything looked great, but we got the phone call with the bad news that I wasn't pregnant after that round. And that was definitely the hardest call to ever receive.
There you go. Hi.
So when that first in vitro cycle failed, my sister Chrissy said,
I just remember thinking to myself, if there was only anything that I could do to help, I would do it. So I didn't know if I would even be able to be a surrogate or carry a baby, but did some research and found that I would be able to do so, and just put it out there just as a consideration for the future. If it turned out that Annie wasn't able to carry a baby and that's what was preventing them from having a child, that I would totally do that for them.
We got lots of pressure.
I remember saying to Dr. Williams the day that he told us, that we have the possibility of having 2 twin pregnancies, and I said, doctor, we're ready for a new problem. We haven't been able to get pregnant for 5+ years. If that's the outcome of this is 2 twin pregnancies giving us quadruplets, then bring it on. We're ready for it. We're ready for something new. So.